This is Lee again from Dependable Construction. Earlier in another video we showed you how to change out a switch and the switch cover. In this video we're going to show you how to change out an outlet cover on our demo wall we've got here. We've already turned off the electric, so make sure your breaker's off before you start your project. All you're going to need is a flathead Phillips head and a pair of pliers. Go ahead and take the screw out that holds your cover on. Set your cover and screw to the side. You got your screws holding your outlet in. This is a two-prong, non-grounded outlet. We know we have grounded wires back here, so we're going to go ahead and take the opportunity and switch it out to a grounded outlet. If you do not have a ground wire, you're going to have to put another non-grounded plug in so that you're within code. I'm going to take out the stainless steel looking screws that your white wires are going to. When I'm replacing an outlet, I like to just go ahead and pop the screws all the way out. Releases the wires easier than trying to get them unhooked. Your black wires are connected to the brass side, your hot side. Since the power's off, you can't get electrocuted. Now that we've got all those out, the two bottom screws and two black and white wires that were on the bottom were coming from our power supply, our breaker box. The top white and black wire were feeding through the wall to feed other outlets down the line. Undo these screws. The older style outlet that we just took off had screws that you put the copper behind, so this one you just put straight wires behind. We're going to clip these, make them straight. Once those are clipped, put the whites on the silver side, screw the first one down. Put your second white one in. Down nice and tight. While we're already on this side, we're going to go ahead and hook up our ground. Twist it around that screw. Tighten that screw down so it can't come out. We put our twist on counterclockwise. Now we'll put our hot wires or our black wires on the brass side. Screw down the screws nice and tight, nothing can pop out. Now we've got them all in, we'll check them one by one, make sure nothing's loose, everything's good. Simply push it back into place. Screw it down, top and bottom. Now that it's all in, make sure the points are flush with the wall. It's nice and level. We'll grab our brand new white outlet cover. Clean up the outlet. Get our nice white cover. Pop the screw back in. And that's how you do an outlet and a cover. Now all you have to do is run downstairs or run upstairs to the breaker box and turn the breaker box back on and you're done. If you didn't catch our video on how to do a switch, be sure to check that one out. If you need any help, you can always check out our Facebook page or our website. Shoot us an email, give us a call. We'll be glad to come out and give you a free estimate and take care of it for you. Thanks a lot.